Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Coinomi Wallet in your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel. And yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular app store, and from over here search in Coinomi as I had done. And now you can see Coinomi Wallet just right over here. Tap on get option, double click, scan, and wait till the installing process is done. As you can see, once it's done, you can find this option of open. Go ahead, open it up, and if you like to allow, I would choose don't allow. Now there you go, you have simply installed, downloaded, and if you go back, it will simply be visible on your phone screen. Likewise, right over here, you can tap on it, and so that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.